Any tips for motivation or procrastinating? Procrastinating, I have a great tip. You always, like, when you don't want to do something, I promise you this is true. When you don't want to do something,
Thank you.
the thing you don't want to do always seems a lot worse than it is in your head. In fact, sometimes when you do the thing that you were procrastinating, sometimes you will think, man, that was so easy. I should have done that a week ago or something. So, this is a case of learning from your mistakes, and it's hard to. In cases like this, it's easy to learn not to touch something when it's hot because it burns your hand. But when something only slightly affects you, like your bed is uncomfortable or your shoes are uncomfortable and it's slow, you're slowly getting fat. When it's slow, you don't notice it, and it's hard to learn from your mistakes because it happens so gradually. It's not like a bam, a car accident or a sting or something that you can learn from. But, however, the slow things sometimes can be the most dangerous of them all. The ones that you really need to learn from are the slow ones, right? So, you're actively trying to learn from the slow ones. You've identified it. Like, wow, I realize this now. This is as important as not touching a hot stove because it burns, except you don't notice it like a burn. It's just slow, right? Okay, so this is, now we're on the same wavelength, right? I explained that to you so you know what language I'm speaking. So now we're going back to procrastinating. Since you've learned that lesson from the past that, dude, it's not even that big of a deal, you just gotta do it. So what's the strat then, old fat guy? Well, to me, the strat is just get it started. Don't say I'm gonna do it all. Just start it. Whatever the thing is, just start it. Literally in your mind, I refuse to finish it. I'm just gonna get it started. Little thing. Put my pencil against the paper. Maybe I'll do the first 10 words or whatever it is. I'll put the clothes in the hamper. Or just the first step. Whatever it is, the tiniest step. The reason you make it tiny is so you can convince yourself to do it. You have to make it really tiny. Like pathetic. Write your name on the piece of paper type of shit. But once you do that small step, you'll be like, man, I'm already fucking here. Let me just do it. And then you'll do it and you'll be done. And you'll be like, wow, I just feel so much better. I don't have to do this thing anymore. And all I had to do was trick myself into just literally getting started, touching it. Like, just with my finger.